After logging in and selecting your vehicle, if asset inspection is required or available during login, the asset inspection screen will appear. The asset inspection screen displays the vehicle you are attached to with an Inspect button. If you are attached to trailers, each will have its own Inspect option as well. You can use the Skip Remainder button at the bottom of the screen if an inspection is not required at that moment. Tap Inspect to begin the asset inspection. The system allows you to view the previous inspection report, such as to check for any repairs or outstanding defects. Select the type of inspection to perform. For this example, tap Pre-Trip. Your administrator may have configured different checklists for you to use. In this example, we will use the default Federal Schedule 1 list. Tap to expand a section. The inspection list may include required sections. For these, you must actively mark if there are no defects found in each section. For optional sections, you only need to add a defect if one is found. Tap Add Defect if one is found. Enter a description for the defect. In this example, we will add a missing windshield wiper. The system automatically notes the inspection location. You can modify it if needed. The system automatically notes the odometer and engine hours. You can modify these if needed. The height and width of load are optional fields you can fill in based on your fleet guidelines. You can enter a remark for this inspection. Tap Done when finished with your asset inspection. Tap Yes to sign your asset inspection. Once you have inspected all assets, the system will move to the dashboard automatically. You may tap Skip Remainder at any time to proceed without completing all inspections. You can access inspections at any time from the dashboard. Note, you will be prompted to perform the inspection from this tutorial upon logout if the vehicle has been driven. If you are also using hours of service, completing an inspection will place you on duty effective from the start time of the inspection. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for how to perform asset inspections in the Drive app in Canada.